Hello guys, my name is Mukul Anand and I'm the founder of R3 Factory. R3 Factory is all about buy, repair and sell, and it is not just a shop. Our goal is to promote sustainability, and that's the reason why we chose this mission in 2017 when I started the company. My goal is to have a company which is full of purpose and also make money. It's a very difficult job. Like when you're trying to do sustainability, trying to minimize the waste, it's very difficult. But what we have realized, like say, thanks to God, thanks to people who are our supporters, thanks to our team, we have managed, we have survived, and this year has been a very tough year. To tell you honestly, very tough year in terms of financials. I also lost my mother in November, so personally, it has been devastating year, but as I said to you, thanks to God that we have done well, and we have done quite a lot of things. So we work with like liquidators, we work with the e-commerce company, we work with manufacturers, and obviously we are always there to support end customers. So lots of things are in pipeline, and we are quite confident that next year, in the domain of sustainability, we'll make a big mark. Our Eco Warrior program, which we have launched in Amity, is becoming mature, and I believe that Eco Warrior program will be launched all across, where we can collect all the used devices. We can empower people in terms of repairing. So quite exciting time next year. We work with distributor. We launch assured buyback program, anytime upgrade program, buyback program. So it is all towards how we can empower each and every one of you to have a solution for devices which you already hold, to provide solution for people who want to have high-end gadgets but don't have enough of money. So we are finding the right way of doing sustainability. And yes, one more thing, on the 15th of January, there's a World Future Energy Summit taking place in Abu Dhabi, and thanks to the organizer, they have called me to talk about whether to recycle or reuse. So obviously, being champion of reuse, I would talk about why it is important and why it is only solution which we can offer to the world, when it is all about engagement, right? It is all about participation and minimizing the waste. So I spoke about what we have done, what we are planning to do next year. So looks like this next year is amazing, and I really wish entire my team, we are a team of 20 people, and everybody else in the community. Community means you are the community, part of the community. Uh, Wishing you very very happy new year. You must have been happy with what we have done, and maybe some of you must have been disappointed, but we are always open. So if, for example, if you had ever come to RC Factory and you felt that you did not get the required service, we can always discuss it, because we love everyone. It's a community, one day we all go. So we just want to be here, make a mark, and and what a value we can add to the world, we will do that. So thank you very much, guys, and once again wish you a very very happy new year. Thank you.